Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying and happy at home also, right? Okay, so now I am here with the poem of chapter 10, right? The name of the poem is The Tree. And you know who is the poet? K.K.N. Daruwala, right? K.K.N. Daruwala. Before we go through this poem, you should know, I am sure you know, all of you, that trees are very important in our life, right? So, you will come to know all about the tree, about Gulmohar tree, you know. It's very strong and tall tree, you know, and how it was taking care and how it was grown, you will come to know. First, I will read out the poem, right? Next to the track beside our house, Dad planted a Gulmohar. We tended it, we watered it. It wanted more and more. All of you have seen plants, right? All of are aware of trees, and all around you, you can see many trees are there, many plants are there. But here we are going to know about Gulmohar tree. Mostly we can see this tree in hill areas, you know, mountains where we visit that hill areas, no? There we can see, but here also everywhere you can see Gulmohar trees. These are very tall and strong trees, right? And when it grows into a tree, it you can see that it has that roofed branches, right? And why it is called roofed branches, that I will tell you. First, to let me know how many of you like plants and like to water plants. I think all of you like to water plants, right? Even I also. So, for that, if you want to take care of plants, what do we want? Can you tell me? And you know, plants are that they are living things. So, as they are living things, and you know what they need to grow, right? First thing, what will come? Yes, water. So, trees, all the trees or plants, they need water to grow. Here it is, you know, that Dad planted a Gulmohar plant when it was very little. You know, small children are also taken care by parents or that elders. So like this way, when plants are also very small, very little, we have to take care of it, right? Otherwise, it will not grow or it will not be there. Why it is called wanted more and more water? You know that when tall trees are there, they have many roots, subroots are also there, and for that they need more water to grow, right? We are also, when we are also thirsty, we need water, no? So like this way, trees are also need water, right? Now, when first it little shoots of green spread across the boughs, and some of us said, wow, its branches were so low. We drove the goats away and cows also. What is the meaning of that? When it was very small, so it's very easy to eat, very easy to eaten by cows and goats, you know. Cows and goats, if they see in front of them small plants are there, so they will come to eat it up, right? So because of that, so they were always aware to save that plant, right? Shoots, what is the shoot? Do you know what is the shoot part? Above the soil, the part which is when the plant is very small, when there are no branches, leaves are also not there, only that just started growing, and above the soil, till that, before that branches, the part is called shoot, and below the soil, that is root part, right? So after that, when it was showing its shoot part, all they said, oh my god, it's so green, it's so beautiful, so obviously it will come out from your mouth. Wow, what's a beautiful plant like this, right? So they were taking care, and they were just trying to drive cows and goats away from that plant, right? It really kept us on our toes. A baby tree needs care, right? Next year, the green fuzz changed to leaf. It turned into a red roof tree, a thing of beauty rare. What is the meaning of that? A baby plant. It needs care, and who will take care? It cannot take care of itself. Someone should be there to take care, right? When you can see plants and flowers, plants are there in the garden, who looks after? Gardener. At home we take care, and here it is, as dad planted that plant, so who will take care? Dad only, and even the writer, poet, when he was very small. So next year it grows into, change into green fuzz, change to leaf, and it turned into a red roof tree. Why it is called red roof tree? It gives us, we can see that Gulmohar always with red flowers. So many flowers you can see. Colors also, you can see that red in color, yellow in color, even violet in color also. These are available, right? And it's special, it's written that red roofed tree. Why it is called? Because when it grew up, okay, and became a tall strong tree, it has branches, many branches with many leaves and flowers also. Because of that, it's called roof tree, a thing of beauty rare. Why it is called like that? Because it's so beautiful, so beautiful. So because of that, it's called a thing of beauty rare. Always it's not visible. We cannot say always. I never spoke to us to curse. It just spoke to the winds. And now and then waved to the skies, but it gave us everything. We do not talk to the plant, but with whom? With winds. Why it is called like that? Poets are they are very imaginative. They have their thinking, strong thinking. They can think something differently. Okay, you can also think to explore. No, so this way. He says, the poet says that it spoke to winds, हवा के साथ बातें करना, spoke to the winds. हम तो बातें नहीं करते, do we? No. So the poet says that Gulmohar always spoke to the winds, हवा के साथ बातें करना, and now and then wave to the skies. Wave to the skies when it moves, its branches move, and it always showing like this way, ups and downs. So because of that, it's called like this way. But it gave us everything. We get everything. We can have wood, we can have fruits, we can have flowers, but we don't get fruits from Gulmohar, but we can have pure oxygen to breathe in. Right? So this way it's called, we get everything, but we can't speak to the Gulmohar. Its falling flowers and its shade, they covered half the track. It sheltered us from sun and rain. the tree had paid us back. What is the meaning of that? When flowers are matured, full flowers, can you see one flower on the plant or on the tree forever? No, it will also dry up and it will also fall down. So like this way, falling flowers and its shade, all flowers are falling down and it was showing like shade. They covered half the track. What is the meaning? रास्ता, जो रास्ता है ना वो भर देता है ground को. So because of that it filled, it covered the track. Sheltered us from the sun and rain. We can take shelter under the tree, no? When it's very hot and sunny day. Even animals also, they take shelter under the trees and all, and from rain also, right? The tree had paid us back. So once we planted, once we take care, or once we took care, watered and we took care of that, so it gives us back, it gives us back. How? Because now it is we can have wood from it, we can have flowers, we can have branches like that. So it paid back. आप कुछ भी केयर करोगे वो आपको काम में आएगा, ठीक है ना? तो इसीलिए हम लोगों ने प्लांट, जो छोटा सा बेबी प्लांट को बड़ा किया तो हमारे काम में आएगा. ओके, सो होप यू अंडरस्टूड. If you have doubts, you can ask me and I will clear during doubt session, and go through the PPTs properly, this video properly, and try to understand the meaning of this. Okay, bye, take care.